In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed in your Shopify theme. Having your Instagram feed right on your online store is a great way to show off real, fresh content and build trust with visitors. In this tutorial, we'll use a popular app called Mint InstaFeed, and I'll walk you through every click so you can follow along easily. Start by opening your Shopify dashboard and logging into your store. Once you're on the main admin page, look towards the top of the screen for the search bar. This is the quickest way to get where we need to go. Click on the search bar, and from the results or the navigation, choose Apps. This will take you to the Apps section of your Shopify admin, where you manage everything you've installed. On the Apps page, look for the option that says All Recommended Apps and click on it. This opens a curated list from Shopify, and from there you'll see a link or button that says Discover More in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click that to open the full App Store. Now that you're in the Shopify App Store, move to the search bar at the top and type in InstaFeed as one word. Press enter, and in the results look for Mint InstaFeed Instagram Feed. This is the app we'll be using to embed your Instagram posts. Click on that app to open its details page, where you can see an overview, screenshots, and reviews, if you'd like to double check it's a good fit. On the app page, click the Install button. Shopify may show you a permission screen explaining what the app can access in your store. Review that, and then confirm by clicking Install again when prompted. After a moment, the app will finish installing and you'll be taken into its setup area inside your Shopify admin. From here, look for the button that says Connect with Instagram. Click that, and you'll be guided through Instagram's connection process. You may need to log into your Instagram account and approve the connection so the app can display your posts. Once your Instagram is connected, the next step is to actually show the feed on your storefront. Click on Add InstaFeed to your theme. Shopify will open your theme editor, where the InstaFeed app block is ready to be embedded. Choose where you want the feed to appear, such as on your homepage, then add the InstaFeed section and customize its layout, number of posts, and style to match your brand. When you're happy with how it looks, save your theme changes,